is here driving, by the way. I'm on the way home, and we're gonna do a drive with me. Let me show you guys where I'm at right now. Though. Don't mind how foggy the thing is, but this is where I'm at. I'm at the bridge. Right, what up is your name? Porsche Simpson Malasker. It's the name, so it's Porsche Simpson Malasker. And we're off. Why is this late? What is it? Guys, if I never see what goes on a while ago, I need to get it done. Can't even make this stuff up. Anyways, guys, trying to survive these Jamaican roads, you know it's full of lunatic. Guys, this thing I try to flat my shoulder. Hey guys, how have you been? How has the new year... Wait. How has 2024 been for you? Let me know in the comments below. Yo! Yeah, let me know, how has 2024 been for you? What are you looking forward to most for 2025? You know, it's an opportunity to start over doing certain things, setting new goals, looking to accomplish new things, you know. I think it's definitely something that we shouldn't take for granted. You know, it's like a fresh start for some reason. I mean, it's just like any other new month that's coming up, but it's a new, you know, it feels like you're turning a new leaf, an opportunity to do so. So I hope that you guys are planning up for what 2025 will be. I know I am. Certain things like fitness, overall health and physical and spiritual well-being. Academically, I want, you know, I have my goals for law school. But of course, those things come with work, hard work, and determination is what gonna make me able to achieve those things. So it's something that I definitely want to work on achieving, but it's not gonna be like overnight success story, of course. Like many things in life, you have to work for it, and so I'm kind of trying to put those building blocks in place from now to be able to accomplish those things that I have set, that I have like in mind to accomplish. Guys, I'm trying to navigate Expansion Road right now, and this road, like, there's so much crazy people on the road. I'm literally trying to drive. I'm just trying to make it over to Spanish Town in one piece, man, or at least not have a scratch on this car. And while we're on the topic of setting goals, one of the goals that I have is to revamp the YouTube channel. Recently I got my YouTube recap. My YouTube, like, it's for creators, of course, and you get a little recap of how your channel did. I think the channel did pretty well. That's because of the evergreen content that I have on the channel, such as like the school or the dorm life videos, J1 videos that I have. Basically what I was trying to say is that I only uploaded 17 videos. The channel did pretty well nonetheless. I think I got like 77,000 views in total for 2024. A lot of those come from like the J1 content that I put out and stuff, which is nice. However, I definitely want to put out more than just 17 videos. I want to put out more creative stuff than just this big truck, man. More creative stuff than just the regular vlogs, you know. Push my creativity a little bit more. I hope I'm not just saying this now and then, like same time next year I'm not for sure. Let's see what happens. My aim is to do certain videos. Like I have this video idea where I want to try limited edition items from fast food restaurants, or like any like little restaurants in Jamaica, such as like everyone knows I've like this sorrel ice cream. Burger King currently have like this stacker thing going on, stuff like that, you know, like those limited edition things that you know see every day on the menu. Probably like try like 3 of them things in the video. Budget cuts. I will also, well, I plan to go on the program again. As of right now, I plan to go on the program, the J1 program again, because I found out that I qualify for it even though I'm not normally. So I plan to go on it again, and hopefully I can make some good content. I went on the program for 3 years already, so, and don't know how much fresher the content can really get, but I wrote down some ideas. There are things that I think I can do, or I can do better at than how I did last time. Of course, I always say that I want to put out like X amount of videos every month when I'm over there, but that naturally does not happen because I end up working so much that the time is extremely limited. So like certain things like to edit on a certain day or even to film on a certain day, I'd rather take that time to sleep, and that's the hard truth. And I'm sure that so many other persons who go on the program can like relate. When you get the opportunity to sleep, you're gonna want to sleep, you know, because work and travel is not easy. But I still try to make it work. I think that this year I put out like I think I put out 6 or 7 videos from the program. And I think that's pretty good. I think that is pretty good. My first year that I went over there, I didn't realize it, but I made a lot of videos. That year I went with Alicia. I'm trying to do the same. Like, spoiler alert, I'm going back to. Actually, I'll probably bleep that just to keep the suspense for later. We'll see what happens though as it relates to the new creative videos that I want to put out on the channel in 2025, as well as the J1 work and travel videos that I'm gonna do, because as I said, I'm going back on the program. Also, just a little life update. In terms of like school, law school has been manageable. I've been able to manage. I've submitted 3 assignments. I've managed to show up to like probably I'd say 97 or 96% of the classes. I know some days some stuff are just unavoidable and you have to like make a sacrifice to get certain things done. So those are certain days that I miss class. But you know, I'm pretty proud of myself. I think that's a sign to end this video. I'll just end it by saying, guys, law school has been pretty interesting. I've been able to manage, thankfully, and it hasn't been as bad as it could be. I know that will change for next year though, because I know next year is really the year. I have bar exams, I have like multiple assignments, including like 3 group assignments. I have a lot coming up next year for this next part of first year of Normal Manly. But you know, with God's grace, we move forward, we push along, and we hope for the best. Am I right? Can I get a amen in the comments? So guys, I'm now on Mandela Highway. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop recording now. Thankfully, I made it off a Spanish Town road without a scratch. I mean, there are so many hooligans and those lunatics driving on that road. By the way, I'm coming from a failed court hearing. Like, literally, I went there and it was so lame. Like, it was basically a waste of time. There wasn't anything really substantial. The judge wasn't really giving us much to work with either, even though she knows that we're there. We weren't really getting anything much to report about, you know, like. And this was just one of those days. It was just a bad day for us to have gone to the courtroom. I mean, they were doing mainly like sentencing, but we weren't really getting much background information and stuff like that for the previous matters that took place in the case. So it's like, I'm trying to make my way home now. I don't know when this video will be posted. Well, nah, most definitely before the new year. Anyway, thank you for tuning in to my channel this year. I'll try and get one more video out before this one, hopefully. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield. I'll see you guys hopefully bigger and better in the new year. Thanks for watching. Bye.